Our modus operandi is to always work from general to specific. And now it's the time to get specific. So I'm zoomed in on the eye here, and this is what we're going to start. We'll bring it up to its full glory, as it were. Bring it into the iris here. And this is where I usually start now, resolving the elements quite a lot before I then move to the next. A tiny little stump here. And paint this in. See how I'm dragging it, strokes in radially inwards. Look at the muscles here. Just picking these little lights here. Okay. Now moving into the sclera of the eye. And I'm barely touching the paper with the conte. Remember, the upper eyelid will cast a shadow onto the sclera. Okay. A little bit more into the caruncula. Do the plica semilunaris alone. I'm painting these forms using my stump. And as I paint in, I want to remain quite aware and sensitive to this turning form.